Hi students, MCQ number 3. For a particular tube, among 6 harmonic frequencies below 1000 Hz, only 4 harmonic frequencies are given. They are 300 Hz, 600 Hz, 750 Hz and 900 Hz. What are the other 2 frequencies missing from the list? Now we have studied in a resonance column. When a tuning fork is held above the air column, first the fundamental frequency is heard, then at some other length of the air column we get the higher frequencies called the harmonics. So for every vibrating system, the fundamental frequency is called the first harmonic. Then the repeated harmonics, they are called as overtones. Out of these 6 frequencies are heard. So they are 300, 600, 750, 900 plus 2 unknown frequencies we have to find out. Now very simple, I am writing the given values in the ascending order, 300, 600, 750 and 900. Now this difference, 750 and 900, this is 150 Hertz. Is it not? Like that 600 and 750. So this difference also is 150 Hertz. So from this we come to know that each harmonic is differing from the neighboring harmonic by 150 Hertz. Therefore, we have to start from 300 and we have to add 150 with 300 and continue the harmonics. So now what is 300 plus 150? So 300 plus 150 must be equal to what? 450 Hertz. This is the missing harmonic. Then 450 plus 150, if you add, what is coming? 600. Is it not? So 300 Hertz. Next must be 450 Hertz, which is missing. 450 plus 150 is 600 Hertz. This is available. Then 600 plus 150 is 750. 750 is also heard. 750 plus 150 is what? 900. Is it not? Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The next one, if you add 150 with 900, it will become what? 1050 Hertz. Is it possible? Less than 1000 we should hear, is it not? Therefore 1050 is not possible. So we can go the other end. The other end is what? 300. So 300 plus 50 already we have heard. So what is the other possibility? 300 minus 150. So the other one must be what? 150 Hertz. So these are the missing harmonics, 150 Hertz and 450 Hertz. Understand? So the missing frequencies, must be 150 Hertz and 450 Hertz. So which is the correct option is option B. Therefore option B is the correct answer. So the clue is here, the difference in frequency is 150 Hertz. Understand? So the option B is the correct answer. I hope you must have understood well. Fine.